Hey, let's do the robot. Robot vacuum cleaner, of course.
Taking the elevator, going up, I'm pushing buttons, never know where to stop.
So easy to assemble.
Lost if you're locked out, look around.
Wow, vacuuming and mopping at the same time.
And I'm in love,
You are in really good shape.
can't give it up. Make it to the top, keep climbing.
And no need to worry about scratches on even most delicate surfaces. Let's get started. Goodbye, dust and dirt. And farewell to worries about it going anywhere I wouldn't want it to. My home has never been cleaner, and cleaning has never been easier.
Gorenje.